once they learn to fly. I've seen all your seasons, your cold Februaries. I know you'll be blooming in a matter of time. Oh.
You've seen my dark side, dance with my shadow. You never run from a fight.
What I'm saying is you know me, wrestle with the old me. Save me at my lowest, all you had to do was hold me, console me. No matter how far I fall. Cause the
Wives, submit yourselves to your own husband. And then the husband, Jason, you love Kisha. You provide leadership. God should have the preeminence. So in short, God is first.
I knew from my heart that God had a plan for us. A plan greater than either of us could have imagined. But that I found by absolute certainty. I admire POVs in life to ensure my happiness as I walk down the aisle with a smile, mixed emotions because I cried. You once asked me what makes you worthy of love, given that you may not have everything to offer in this life. I eventually couldn't pinpoint a specific quality o asa dito akong nagustuhan sa imuha. Kay halos tanan nimong sakripisyo. Makita lang ko kay perti ng wagia. Ikaw daw ba gikagturil padong kalinan? Vice versa. Dili ba ka matingalaan ang pagkagumaha?
Sa magiging asawa ko at soon magiging ina ng mga anak ko. Una sa lahat, thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga sacrifices mo. Pag-intindi mo sa akin, nandyan ka palagi sa tabi ko through my ups and downs. Di mo ko iniwan.
Later, I realized that it was through prayer that God brought us together. And as we build a life together, I pledge to keep Christ at the center of our marriage. Together, we will seek God's will for our lives, trusting in His wisdom and guidance. I vow to support your dreams and aspirations. I will comfort you in your sorrows, offering you a shoulders to lean on and a heart to understand.
This day, I am ready to join you in this union. O kung moabot man ang panahon nga ikaw ug ako giugod-ugod na, gusto nako handumon kung unsa ta ka kontento sa atong paghigugma. They said, eyes is the window to your soul. I knew it from your eyes and seen it from your heart that we are each other's home.
Sa harap ng may kapal, kay pastor, sa pamilya natin at sa mga kakilala mo. Dito lang ako palagi nakasuporta sa iyo, mag-alaga sa iyo at higit sa lahat, magpuprotekta sa iyo at sa pamilya natin in the future. Kahit anong unos ang paparating, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako ko yan sa iyo. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin, Kisha.